that's our weather. You hear it? Okay. You hear that shit? No way it sounds like that. Oh, is that my child? He was my kid. Hold on. It's my kid.
Dumb as shit, bro. How you ain't realize it was us? What are you doing?
We've been here for 5 minutes staring at you. We've been here for 5 minutes staring at you.
Yo, you're actually ass. I ain't gonna lie, you're so ass.
I need to put your phone here further.
Say hi, Cat.
Hi, chat.
Chill.
Hey. Oh, you have
I'm not trying to get you banned.
No. What happened? What?
There was no fish.
You guys can turn off.
There was no fish.
That's fine. We're just playing in the rain. It's fine. Okay.
Playing in the rain.
I have a lot of people though. Should I stay on?
Yeah, you can stop. Yeah, you good.
I want to be with you guys.
They're going out.
Who's here? Where's Liz? Oh, Liz is too? Hell yeah, Liz she is.
You might want to go outside. It started to speak.
Oh! I thought it was lightning back here. I was like, oh, hell no. Let's go. Oh, we need a charge too. Where are you going to do that?
I'm not going outside in that rain. Hey, blame your daughter. She's the one that really walked the room.
Get your ass in the rain. I want to smell like that.
Yo, the more you tell me to hurry up, the more I'm pushing.
Okay, guys, we might temporarily have to go inside in the front yard. Front yard chat. Say hey, chat. Hey, chat. Nigel, this is my daughter. One of them. Hey. Hello, chat. All right, you have a great time. Keep the door shut.
It'll be close one this time.
Yay! Oh, I want to be with you. Sorry, guys. We're just having fun.
Oh, yeah.
But I want to be with you.
I have food waiting for me at my...
Anyway. All right, chat. Everybody's out. Have fun.
Oh, yeah.
What's up, chat? Yeah, I broke it on accident. I was cleaning it and it dropped in the tank. I mean, in the sink. I can't even think.
Your fish?
No.
Oh.
No, the tank did and it shattered.
Where's your fish?
It's in there. This happened a moment. No.
You guys are gonna have Laura. Huh? You're gonna have Laura. Laura. Here. What does that mean?
Laura.
Laura. Tell that to you good with us. Remember last time we talked about next time I come down here we're gonna do it together?
She can't.
I know. That's what I just said. God, you shut it. You are not. Jess, you are not getting away with shit with these two, bro.
Alright, I have to go play in the rain. I'll be right back.
Okay, have fun.
Someone better send me a lion. I'm waiting.
Was it too often?